Hello everyone, this is Emil Naruto. Welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'll be talking about how to group sheets together so that we can work on these three sheets at a time. For example, see here, this is the data that we have, which is related to a north region. And we also have some data wherein we have coffee, tea, milk, which is related to mid region. So we have some sales data and related to coffee, tea, milk, which is related to the south region. Okay. So now if I want to work on these three sheets at a single point of time, so what is the option? See here. For example, if I change something here, then automatically it should reflect in the other two sheets. For example, if I change something in mid here, automatically it should reflect here and also here. So how to do that? So if we want to do that, just simply we can select control. We can just simply select control plus if you just hold on control button, and if you can select the other two sheets too, automatically these three sheets will get grouped. Now if I make some change in any of the column or of any of the row, then obviously it would reflect the same in the other two sheets. See here. Now I'm changing it to 0. I'm pressing enter. Okay, so it is $0, right? T in the quarter 4 is $0 here. See here. Here also it is $0. And when you look at in the south sheet also, it would be $0. Why? Because these three sheets have been grouped. Okay. Now, one second. Now, I want to delete a row. Okay, for example, I want to eliminate this entire row of T. Why? Because I don't like T. So I want to eliminate it. So I have selected this entire row, and what I'm doing, I'm just pressing delete. Okay, so now it has been deleted. Okay, but when you also look at this mid sheet, it could have already got deleted. See, this could have already deleted. That's it. So in the three sheets, whenever you do something in a single sheet, it would automatically reflect in the other two sheets, in the other sheets too. Okay. So that is the thing. And when you don't want to group them together, then you want to ungroup them, then what to do? If you want to ungroup them, after just we need to, uh, after pressing control and selecting the sheets, you'll be grouping them. And if you want to ungroup them, just right click on any of the sheet and automatically you'll get an option of ungroup sheets. Okay. Now the three have been ungrouped. Okay. Now if I make any changes in one single tab, it won't reflect in the other tab. For example, see here in the north region sheet, I'm actually making it as $24. Okay, I'm making it as $24. And when you look at in the mid sheet, it won't reflect. See here, it is same as it is. And if you look at in the south sheet, it won't get reflected. Why? Because earlier we have ungrouped these three sheets. Okay, so due to that reason, it won't be reflecting in the other sheets. So that's it. I hope you like the content. If you like it, just share it with your friends. Happy Independence Day to you all. Jai Hind.